friends, welcome to our Global Commerce. You need to know our latest updates. Please subscribe our channel. If you like our content, please share it, like it and comment on it. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about scalable startup business. The scalable startup business, we are going to see first one what is the meaning, and next one is advantages of scalable startup business, and the last one is disadvantages of scalable startup business. Scalable startup business meaning. Scalable startup business can be defined as a business model where an organization is started on the basis of a unique idea. So, along with a unique idea, what they represent means it is a kind of entrepreneurship. When the entrepreneurs believe that their company can change the world, they often receive funding from venture capitalists and hire specialized employees. Scalable startups look for things that are missing in the market and create solutions for them. Many of these types of business start in Silicon Valley and are technology focused. They seek rapid expansion and big profit returns. In that examples, scalable startups are from Facebook, Instagram and Uber, etc. Advantages of scalable startup business. There are five types of advantages. One is efficiency, team culture, personalization, flexibility, and the final one is having fun. What is efficiency under scalable startup means established companies have high administrative overheads. Startups offer their services in a more efficient, cost effective, and competitive manner. They are likely to be aware of their limitations and tend to focus on their core strengths. And next one is team culture. Under team culture, employees of large corporations get attracted by prestige and big salaries. They easily lose sight of the company's vision, mission, and values and the success of its customers. And next one is personalization. So, under personalization, there were different strategies they can be followed, like startups deliver their products and services with a personal touch. This creates a uniquely personal experience for their customers. Startups also take time to study and understand their customers' business requirements. Next one is flexibility. Your organization could have rather unique needs and demand for products and services. These might not be met by established service providers operating in a rigid manner also. So startups are very flexible and are more likely to work at the house, the place and in the manner that suits you. And last one is having fun. Last but not least, working with a startup could be a lot more fun. A startup doesn't have to please everyone and may decide to select clients that are fun to work with, like spontaneous fun activities after work or a lot easier to organize in startup. Your colleagues could become your best friends also. Disadvantages of scalable startup business. First one, risk of failure. Low compensation, poor market access, lack of resources and lack of process. First one is having risk, that is risk of failure. Most startups fail within their first year of operations. So the risk of failure is high. Working under such risk can blur a startup's strategic vision. So they either fail to seize market opportunities or overestimate their sales projections. Next one is low compensation. It takes blood, sweat, and tears to build a company, and long working hours are the norm for startups. The rewards might be low since it takes time to generate revenue and make profits. Some startups give up since it's demotivating to work without the proper compensation, also. Third one is poor market access. Market access means Many customers prefer a business that they have worked with over a new startup. Besides, it is more expensive to acquire new customers than to retain old ones. Without a customer base, understanding marketing needs also becomes a real struggle. Fourth one is lack of resources. Under lack of resources, growth hacking, cloud computing, and venture capitalism allow startups to gain market entry. Most startups operate a budget against competitors that are well resourced. It gives competitors an edge in product development, sales, and marketing. And last one is lack of processes. Startups are flat organizations that lack defined business process and operational procedures. This exposes them to poor customer service, legal liability, and financial losses also. Startups might thus optimal to outsource non-core business process to external service providers, including with that. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our content, please share it, like it, and comment on it. You need to know our latest updates. Please subscribe our channel.